Hey guys, it's your girl Danica and I'm gonna do some banger cooking right now. Come with me in the kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen, guys. So now I'm here in the kitchen. As you all can see, now I cut up the meat right now. Right now. So this is my meat, that chicken back. Chicken back, lad. I love CB back, but I couldn't get none. So I work with this one here. This one here, the nice one. So brown stew me up. What kind of chicken back is just a broke up so or a me strong. So I like cut them, then I clean them. So I put them in a tray first and then I clean them up. Put them in the tray and then I clean them. It's still hard. God, this thing is hard like a hard. So I'm going to get my pull up on it. I'm going to cut him up. Keep him down. And I can pull out. Oh, Jesus. Alright, see them I normally cut off all of the flesh. So, some minutes to say look. So I wash it one time. I wash the vinegar two sides to get out them fat and them something. So this is my vinegar.
You need some water.
Pig's vinegar.
You can drink this.
Try no? Pig's vinegar. You try what I vinegar. So I wash this how I wash right. I literally wash my meat. I'm very picky bad. I have to wash it down. Actually, water stop coming on my pipe. Let me just wash it under the water, the running water. And I wash my meat. I'm going to drop back in the same water. Whatever I wash off it, I want to go back on it. I hold it in my hand. I play with my food before I cook it. Don't follow me. So I wash out them parts there. Remember what woman used to do, the red part of the meat, you know. Now the chicken back, she put the red part in. Jaja, if you watch every day, don't laugh. So this is my meat, the first wash. Throw the water, and then back in with the second wash. What's your?
She not even have a little pot in her kitchen, my son.
What? Have you covered it for your carry it over with your jig, you eat food out there, you don't carry back. So go feed and maybe a little teapot. So this is the last wash now, guys. With the vinegar. Not enough vinegar finished. I'm going to get one tomorrow. I'm going to turn this now. So I wash. And I'm through washing my meat. Drain again. Voila. Done. This is it. So, over here now. Yeah?
So, guys, Tamika have to do little things, you know. So you know say it's a boy verse in the kitchen here. So today I have a little powder season because she just wash it, the chicken back and just left it. So I don't know what do I know. But still, the inside a little my all-purpose chicken season. And then just dash in as you see like that. Not too much in it, but a nice little serving to it. Just dash a little more there. So you see me, bread in man. So yo, now the jerk season and stuff too, you know. Have your jerk season, man, you know. Right, she's not ready for this. You don't tell Tamika say I'm a chef for the Black Clay Kitchen and she think a joking thing, you know. So I'm just a dash like a chicken season. They say, yo, my side. You see this one I do? Look at it. You see this season Perfect. Yeah. Yeah, man. How about this? Pumpkin. What she want me to do? Chop up pumpkin. No, God. That's it. Mess well. You see that little knife I can do the works, man. I'm not supposed to like that, you see me? You know, man, a butcher, man, cause a whole heap of chicken me kill off. A whole heap of cow and blood clot pig. So you know, say, man, a kitchen man dog. But this, so, you don't know what Tamika come give me in the kitchen, my side. But me work with it, you see me? Yeah, man. She not, as me say, oh, my side, those are little, not even sure about what I cook, dog. You see me, not even know if I curry. I have a brown stew, brother, but me just a do it thing for you, you see me? I wonder what kind of rotten pumpkin dish you can give me. so yeah, just a go and deal with it. So you know, say when you see the thing get hard up, the pumpkin get tough in a way, you know, say yo, all of that little thing surface, the soft surface there, gone, you know, say rat gone. You see me? Yeah, man, we catch a rat, you see me? No rat no there in the kitchen, you know, brother. So I eat this. Look funny good, no? Talk to me nice, no, man. Oh gosh, man. So watch it. See what I did inside there? So I get off it. Cause what? This so don't dry up. We don't want no dry food in our pot, you see me? So I have to cut off that side there, you see? And make it get fresh once again. You see me? As you can see, the knife I do it works. And the little knife. So my side, as I say, but I to make sure I do things because as I say, I never want there, so you know. Alright, so I just rub up my hand now with my little meat dog. I put in my seasoning in it. I should have do this from the start, you know, but you don't know. I'm a real outlaw dog, you see me? My side, don't watch how my chicken white. Don't watch it. You only want to see a little colored night, you see me? I also drop little salt on it now, you know, so this is bad for the road. You can't kill off yourself with be a bombardos powder season. Kill off yourself. You have to keep it natural. You see me with little flavor, my granny teach me that big up yourself, truly. Yeah, man. But me not eat fresh food, you see me? Thing have to up. So I throw in the salt tonight. Yeah, man, I throw in the salt now, so just I wash this off. You see it? See it there, see it. Crosses. Better have to cross it off of my knife. Yeah. My side. If you don't feel like send me there in the kitchen and do friggery, you come and text, comment, and tell me what you think me should have do first and what you think me should have do it. But my side, I don't want nobody to come and tell me nothing. Yeah, that me I tell you, because what? You know, say man a chef. I do things how I want it to do. My type of way, get shit done. Guess what is that? Anger. Yeah, man, anger get shit done, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, so I'm going to show me I need my food. I better say, Tamika go lick in 10 fingers them when you done here. You see, I'm picking them. Pumpkin and mouse for kitchen. So she want to be the girl is like me. Every girl love a man we can cook. Just cook all the food. She love you like a fool, but you don't want to cook. What kind of waste man style that? Me can't understand. Some boy just talk up them about them a girl, man. And then can't keep a girl. Why? Because they can't cook. Man, they go in the kitchen and cook food for a girl, man. Blood clot, yeah. That's why chef man always a fuck off on the girl when they come to the restaurant, you know. How what? You don't understand the game, dog. You don't know if you can cook. For all a girl love a man we can cook. Girl hungry belly, you know. Oh, if you never know, girl hungry belly. Girl want cook food. Why? Because they can't cook damn food. But you see, once they get a man who can cook food, my side, listen closely. Them don't want that man go. Them want that man stay in their life forever. Why? Because he can cook good food here for them. Bumbo clot. You feel like a girl alone want blood clot cook food and make man feel nice. Girl want eat good food too. You see me? So once your man you can cook food dog and make moms lick her finger them and say, yo, be this nice. How you learn to cook? You offer this, oh my God. You see me? So no maids a man. When a man a laugh off you, when a mother call in your kitchen and say Daniel or Versi or you see me? And my name me at all no. Don't come cook. Don't feel no way. But cook. Because what? Girl love man who can cook. And girl love them belly. I expect man never ball so cause they can't cook. They have to go buy KFC where people don't cook already. Them can't cook it. So the girl go want it and they have to buy it. Me cook more KFC. What you talk about? Alright, I get good KFC man. Just go buy a blood clot does one whole of chicken man and some oil and some nice little ingredients. You see when me done cut up and sprinkle my powder season pan that in a flour. What you say? Drop me egg in that. Oh God man. And start frying my thing then brother. And mom stay stop mom's have to say, yeah you're gifted. Gifted. Gifted a different type of you know what I talk about, I don't have to go too far in that. You could keep the camera rolling while we're cooking. Yeah man, as me say people, you see me, I cut up the skeleton on time now. You see me? As me say, I never want there so. I never want there so. But there, man a chef. Don't know me.
Get up, I'm in front of me.
Just wait for Siski. You see me? Yeah man.
Go on now.
The meats from the vegetables because you know like when they fry out like when they almost done the tray pan there. So I cook. Then you know season properly, you know, just season properly. You know, not season, not season. Like the season will be not even good. And onions, supposing onions will Alright, so wait till the oil hot. Then you just dash them in there. The oil is hot. I mean, no, not good. Don't come for me. Them big and I some me like my brown stew. When my husband the home, I cook it small. But when me alone and the kids, I cook it this gigantic. So alright, this is it. Now just clean everything. Everything. Never let it pot. Make that go and cook. Or fry or they want call it.
So I'm tea rice here I go eat with it or dumpling now I eat
So
with it.
basically before the video start, guys, when you look for my rice already, when you wash the rice, put on
see
my
my
rice
rice pot,
already. See there? So this is my rice. I like it shelly, I like it soft, it's shelly. There, so that's my rice. Oh, look how you learn that. So, now I put the meat to cook. And if you don't have the juice, they will drink one soda. I don't drink it, but I will drink it. Yeah, one soda. This is the finishing touch of my pot. We know no see vegetable because it's black. See there? Welcome, opposite. And this is my rice over there. Wow, look at this one scrub. Anyway, I'm done. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and like and comment. If you want to comment, but you're not afraid of no comment.
Oh, she a walk with the whole of that. This is so fatal when it had still a people back. She know the bounce and stop. Manage your weight, girl, bubble pancat. Right after me get your contact, hey. Find out say she love you back shot, hey. What a girl gifted. What me say? A deep short cocky, she no play with the cock big. Room. And I am for the artist in a shot a man now. Load, yeah. Careful with the man. S-class of the Benz pass. A fire that a spit out a exhaust. Switch by fault, so me no need for exhaust. Speed off if you see me on next spots. Yeah. Find the meat at the Benz pass. Dark side me no take talk. Got trace do killer them and make it take back. One make it and show them all the shell fast. Button press nothing extra. We got
You see that tone away again? But the first half tone you just drop that it load, yeah. Careful with the man.
S-class of the Benz pass. A fire that a spit out a exhaust. Switch by fault, so me no need for exhaust. Speed off if you see me on next spots.
Yeah.
Find the meat at the Benz
That's
pass.
tone me.
Dark side me no take talk. Got trace do killer them and make it take back. One make it and show them all the shell fast. Button press nothing extra. We got
You see that tone away again? But the